How to find time settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find time settings on Android phone. First then open settings, and you can just scroll down until you find system and updates. Click on it, and here you will find date and time. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage date and time settings. It's easy, and you can just type click here and then just type time and scroll down until you find it, this one, date and time, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.